So like we use if statements to define our condition and their respective results, we use switch statements as well. You can more think of it as using for loops to minimizing your code. So switch statements are also work in quite same fashion as if statements. So instead of writing many else if statement, we just define some cases and inside the switch we add one simple condition. So for example, if I remove this whole code of if from here and I say if weather is equal to sunny, then switch, and in the parentheses of switch I have to pass our variable or our condition that we want to check. So in this case I'm gonna check our weather using variable of weather. Now in the curly braces of switch statement I have to define some case. So this case is same as if our case means if our weather is sunny, then we have to put colon here. Then you should do what? Then you echo weather is quite pleasant outside. And if our case is rainy, then you can say it is raining outside. And if our case means our this variable, because we are passing our variable in the switch statement, so this case is going to first match with this variable inside switch, and then this variable is going to match on line 10 and see the actual value whether it's sunny, rainy or cloudy. So now case of cloudy, we can say we need colon here as well. So case cloudy means it is expected to rain, and at the end, same as in the if structure, when we don't have any similar case, we just pass one statement of else echo something out. So in our switch statement we have one default echo statement that works same as our else structure of if condition. We can say echo weather cannot be forecast. So what our output is gonna be is going to be weather is quite pleasant outside, because in reality we have weather is equal to sunny. So let's save this one, and we have this file of switch statements.php. We have this file of switch statements.php. So you can see weather is quite pleasant outside, but you are also be able to see it's raining outside, it's expected to rain, and weather cannot be forecast. It's just because we are including all the echo statement. So if we want to exclude the rest of the statement while depending truly on our condition, we need to add one break statement right after every case so that we can have the actual result. So let's add break statement at the end of every echo statement. Let's save this one out. Refreshing the page. Now we have weather is quite pleasant outside. So if I change it sunny to something like cloudy, now it is expected to rain. So if I change something to that we don't have, like cloudy blur, then we will have default result weather cannot be forecast. See? So this is how our switch statements work. It's possible that you might have some scenarios like if your weather is sunny, weather is quite pleasant outside, but if it's rainy, if it's cloudy, and if it's something other, then your weather cannot be forecast. So we can combine many cases and we can give them only one echo statement. So we have one more scenario right here. So I have this variable of restricted area is equal to guard, And I can say that switch check our restricted area, and in case of guard you can echo permission granted and break the statement. Now if we have some case like office boy, and we also have some cases like, so now we are combining many cases for one echo statement. Public, we have some cases more like media. Then you can say for all of them, office boy, public and media, what? Yeah, you can say permission denied. Now break the statement. So what we did here, we added one echo statement for one case and then one echo statement for many cases. Now let's save this one out and add HR tag so that you can differentiate both scenarios. Refreshing the page. See, permission granted because we passed guard here. So if we add media here, then the permission is denied. So if we add something that we don't have like Jazib here, then we don't have any result in our browser because we didn't define any result of Jazib. So let's add one default result here for Jazib. So I can say in case of anything other than office boy, public, media and guard, just echo see jazibakram.com for coupons. Let's save this. See it in browser now. See, now we have cjazibakram.com. So this is the quick intro to our switch statements as well, by using some real world examples of weather and some practical example of giving access to our user by using multiple same case statements. See you in next lecture.